Today I will show you how to make the most comforting caramelized prawns. I am using about 1 pound of wild-caught white prawns. First, we need to give them a good rinse. Once prepped, they are completely ready for the pan. Rinse gently to protect the delicate flavors. Trim off the sharp tail ends. Use kitchen shears for a clean, easy cut. The savory tamale is right next to the stomach sac. A small angled snip is all you need. Check for any hidden grit near the shell. Carefully remove the dark parts. Be gentle to preserve the rich center. This keeps our sauce clean and beautiful. Make a shallow slit down the back of the shell. And gently pull out the vein. Check near the base of the tail. Sometimes it can be a little tricky to remove, but taking your time here is worth it. I recommend cutting near the tail to make it easier. Now our fresh harvest is perfectly prepped. Heat up your heavy cast iron skillet. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Toss in fresh garlic, ginger, and garden scallions. Sauté on low heat until they turn a gorgeous golden brown. This infuses the oil and removes any seafood odor. The aromatics bring a warm, earthy flavor. These aromatics work magic in the pan. Lay the prawns gently into the fragrant oil. Let them sizzle until the bottom turns a vibrant sunset pink. A flat skillet works best for this rustic method. It allows each prawn to have direct contact with the heat, providing a steady, even sear, and ensures our infused oil coats every single piece. Cook until both sides are perfectly caramelized. Press down lightly on the heads with your spatula, letting the rich essence mingle with the oil. Watch for the oil to start bubbling. That tells us the savory juices are releasing. Now turn the heat up to medium-high. Splash in 1 ounce of cooking wine around the edges. Let the steam carry the rich aromas into the meat. Follow that with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Toss everything so the flavors marry together beautifully. Sprinkle in 1 tablespoon of raw sugar. Cover and let it simmer on low for 3 to 5 minutes. The sweet notes make it so special. The sugar creates a wonderful sticky glaze. You can add a touch of tomato paste for a tangy twist. As we reach the final stage of cooking, let the sauce reduce until it hugs each prawn tightly. This means the heat control is flexible. Adjust your flame based on how much liquid remains. Just keep a close eye so the natural sugars do not burn. The key here is not to overcook them. We want to preserve that fresh ocean snap. The prawns naturally carry a hint of the sea. This dish brings a deep umami flavor because the shells act like a flavor shield. All the seasoning stays perfectly on the outside. If you simmer them too long, the meat inside will dry out. By keeping the cooking time brief, we lock in their natural moisture and sweetness. It gives you that wonderful, satisfying bite. That balance of sweet and savory is what makes this irresistible. It is so much more memorable than a plain salty dish. Your family will love licking their fingers. It preserves that pure, pristine texture. It truly elevates a simple weeknight dinner. Tell me in the comments if you enjoy sweet and savory meals. You can always add some crushed pepper for warmth. Don't forget to subscribe to Garden to Table.